Hi everyone, this is Rookie. Welcome to Math Key. In this video today, we are looking at the topic adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominators. Now, in one of our former videos, we explained that fraction is just part of a whole and it's always written in the form where the number on top is called the numerator while the number under is called the denominator. Adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominators could be quite as easy as adding and subtracting normal whole numbers. Let's say, for example, we wish to operate these two fractions together, 4/9 plus 2/9. All we need to do here is to find the LCM. That's the lowest common multiple of 9 and 9. But then there is a good news for us. What's the good news? The good news is the LCM of the same numbers is always obtained by just picking one of the numbers. For instance, the LCM of 7 and 7 is also 7. The LCM of 12, 12 and 12 is also 12. The LCM of 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5 is also 5. It doesn't really matter how many numbers we are looking at. What matters is that all the numbers are the same. So we'll pick one of them to represent the LCM of the whole numbers. So in this example, we just take one of the denominators as our LCM, introduce our line of division, then operate the numerators 4 and 2 together by adding them, since our operation here is simple addition. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. Therefore, our original fraction 4/9 plus 2/9 becomes 6/9, which eventually reduces to 2/3. If you want to know, if you get confused, you want to know how the fraction 6/9 has been reduced to 2/3, you may need to watch my video on reduction of fractions to lowest terms. This is just how to add fractions with the same denominators. Now, what about this example? 12/13 plus 3/13 take away 4/13. This is another example similar to the former, but now we have 3 fractions and 2 operations, addition and subtraction. The method is still the same. Now, in this case, the denominators are 13, 13, and of course 13. Just like our former example, the LCM here is going to be 13 since all 3 denominators are the same. Therefore, we bring out our line of division again, take one of the denominators as our LCM, that's the lowest common multiple, and then operate the numerators together according to the operations. 12 plus 3 is 15, of course, and 15 take away 4 gives us 11. So our original fraction becomes 11/13, which cannot be further reduced. One more example. Evaluate 3 whole number 2/5, take away 4/5, plus 2 whole number 1/5. In this example, there are different approaches, but I'm just going to show you the basic approach to solving this kind of question. If you look at this question very well, you will notice that there are mixed numbers. The first fraction, there is a mixed number, that's 3 whole number 2/5, and the last fraction, 2 whole number 1/5. We are just going to change the both of them to improper fractions. So 3 whole number 2/5 becomes 17/5. We keep our negative 4/5 because it is a proper fraction. And then 2 whole number 1/5 becomes 11/5. I know you already have a question. How did we change 3 whole number 2/5 to improper fraction 17/5? Well, that's quite easy to do. What we just did was that we multiplied the whole number 3 by the denominator 5, which gives us 15. And then we added its numerator 2 to get 17. So everything becomes 17 over 5, since 5 is already the denominator. The same method applied to 2 whole number 1 over 5, which equally made it 11 over 5. Now, our new fraction becomes 17 over 5, take away 4 over 5, plus 11 over 5, which now looks like either our first example or the second, in the sense that each example has the same denominators. Now, we bring out our line of division, pick one of the denominators, and then, of course, operate the numerators 17, 4, and 11 according to the operations. 17 take away 4, of course, is 13. Then 13 plus 11 is 24. Therefore, our original fraction, 3 whole number, 2 over 5, take away 4 over 5, plus 2 whole number, 1 over 5, becomes 24 over 5, which is also written as 4 whole number, 4 over 5 in mixed form. So this is how adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominators could be. Now let's take a brief summary of what we have just learned in this video. 1. The LCM of the same numbers is just obtained by picking one of the numbers. For example, the LCM of 18, 18, 18, and 18 is also 18. 2. To add 2 or more fractions with the same denominators, we pick one of the denominators and then add up all of the numerators. 3. To subtract 2 or more fractions with the same denominators, we pick one of the denominators and subtract all the numerators. And lastly, to add and subtract 2 or more fractions with the same denominators, we also pick one of the denominators, then add and subtract the numerators according to the operations. Thanks for watching, and may the Lord bless you. If this video is really helpful, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification so you can get updates of recent videos.